3, 2, 1, it's a celebration. Had to go SpaceX for the elevation, and they can't come close to the dedication. Everybody on your feet for the ovation. Come again, where you been? What's the situation?
Alright, day 3, and we're starting a little bit earlier in the vlogging. Every day I've tried to get over a new fear of doing this and doing it in front of people, so now I'm doing it like right off the train. And we're at Union Station right now. I was gonna take an Uber to work, but I think I'm gonna walk a little bit. It's nicer today than it was the last 2 days. And it was raining, so we're here, moving through people. We're getting over our fears of recording. Everybody probably has earbuds in right now anyway, so helps me. We'll see you outside. Alright, we're outside beautiful Chicago at the Sears Tower in the back. It's still the Sears Tower, people. We don't know nothing about Willis. Beautiful, clear day. The last 2 days I was doing this. Probably looking at me now walking in the same spot. This is where I started yesterday. And then the first day I started probably like very rogue, way further up on my walk. But we're out here in Chicago by the river. So the last few days I've been vlogging on the DJI Osmo Action 5. Honestly, best camera for this type of filming and recording. And the quality is just amazing. Honestly, the more that I take time to play around with it, I think I've got the settings that I like using kind of locked in. I haven't played around too much because I've got some filters, but it hasn't been sunny enough to actually use them and experiment with them. So I'm getting more comfortable walking with this thing. So you're gonna see this video, and it's gonna be the third day that I'm doing this. And hopefully there's a evolution of my confidence and my comfortability in front of the camera, walking in front of people. And it's like people stare for a second, but they honestly don't care. I just love like this view. Gosh. It truly is like a just Gotham City vibe. But yeah, so I think there should be some nice evolution in my confidence, talking, walking. I feel more sprite. I've always wanted to use that word in a sentence. I feel more sprite today. I think because it's my Friday, I'm off tomorrow. So it's my Friday. But happy Friday Junior to everybody else. So the biggest lessons I've learned are that nobody really cares. People will stare at you, but nobody really cares what you're doing. It probably makes them want to do it as well if they're the content creating type. Other people might be like, oh, who is he? I wonder if his channel's any good. Well, come on by, check it out. I think you'll like what you see. And then the other thing I've learned is sometimes it's therapeutic, but probably most of the time actually, it's therapeutic just to like walk and talk to you all and not be so much in my head all the time about things. This really breaks down the barriers of feeling like you have to have things prepared and feel like you have to wait for the perfect moment to strike. So I feel like that's the second biggest lesson I learned. And then the third biggest lesson I learned is it allows you to be a little bit more creative. I'm learning a lesson right now, actually, as my voice gets a little bit lower, because it does become intimidating when you're walking right next to people or right behind them, and they're probably laughing to themselves, ha ha ha, what's this guy saying? But one step at a time, baby, day by day. This is day 3 of downtown vlogging in the city of Chicago. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call it there. I conquered what I set out to do, but 3 big lessons. No one cares. This is therapeutic, and it allows you to be more creative. Get outside of your head, people. Love you guys.